Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you were to squat 100 times every day? Squats are a popular exercise that work multiple muscle groups at once, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Doing 100 squats a day may seem like a daunting task, but the benefits of this exercise can be significant. Let's explore what might happen to your body if you were to squat 100 times every day. Number 1. Increased muscle mass and strength. Squatting 100 times a day can lead to increased muscle mass and strength in the legs and glutes. As your muscles adapt to the stress of doing 100 squats a day, they will grow stronger and more defined. Number 2. Improved mobility and flexibility. Squats are a functional exercise that can improve your overall mobility and flexibility. By doing 100 squats a day, you'll be working the joints in your hips, knees, and ankles, which can help improve their range of motion. Number 3. Better balance and stability. Squats require balance and stability, especially when you're performing them with proper form. Doing 100 squats a day can help improve your balance and stability, which can reduce your risk of falls and injuries. Number 4. Increased endurance and stamina. Squats are a great cardiovascular exercise that can help increase your endurance and stamina. Doing 100 squats a day can improve your overall cardiovascular fitness, allowing you to perform physical activities for longer periods of time without getting tired. Number 5. Fat loss and weight management. Squats are a great exercise for burning calories and building muscle. By doing 100 squats a day, you'll be burning more calories than you would by just sitting or standing, which can help you lose weight and manage your body composition. Number 6. Improved posture. Squats can help improve your posture by strengthening the muscles in your back, shoulders, and core. By doing 100 squats a day, you'll be working these muscles, which can help you maintain proper alignment and prevent slouching. Number 7. Reduced risk of injuries. Squats can help reduce your risk of injuries by strengthening the muscles around your joints. By doing 100 squats a day, you'll be strengthening the muscles around your hips, knees, and ankles, which can help protect these joints from injury. In conclusion, doing 100 squats a day can have numerous benefits for your body. By working multiple muscle groups at once, squats can improve your muscle mass, strength, flexibility, balance, and stability. They can also help you burn fat, improve your posture, and reduce your risk of injuries. So, if you're looking for a challenging yet rewarding exercise to add to your fitness routine, consider doing 100 squats a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to watch our other videos as well.